Hey, this is Neha and you are watching my channel English with Neha Juneja. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe the channel because there is a lot more to come and each video is definitely going to be beneficial for you. Today, I have taken up writing skill and the topic is notice writing. Notice is a short composition carrying 4 marks. You can get these 4 marks if your format, content and expression, these 3 things are error-free. A notice is written form of formal message or a type of written announcement made to everyone. It is written in order to inform a large number of people about something that has happened or is about to happen. It could be an upcoming event, competition, lost and found notice, or just a piece of information to be delivered to the targeted audience. Notice is generally written in a formal tone. The language used is simple and formal. Notices are put up on display boards in schools or at public places. What are the rules that you should follow while writing a notice? Notices are always written in a box. The ideal length of the notice is 50 words, so only relevant points need to be addressed. Present the notice in proper format. Try to write notice in passive voice only. Never use first person while writing a notice. There should be no use of I, we and me. This is an important rule which should be memorized by heart. Format. The notice includes number 1, the name of institution or organization. It refers to the name of institution of which the person writing a notice is a part of. For example, it is mentioned in question that you are the head boy or head girl of RJ Public School. So the name of the institution is RJ Public School. Second is date. It should be written in the form like date in number, month in words and then year. Heading. The heading of the notice should always be according to main idea on which the notice is based. Like if it is a notice about an inter-school debate competition, then the heading should be inter-school debate competition. Then comes body. The body should contain all the necessary information required in the notice like time, venue, last date, and it should be written in passive voice without the use of first person. Next, signature. The person who is responsible for notice is like his signature should come. For example, you are Rahul or Riya, the head boy or head girl of the school. Then you have to sign as Rahul or Riya. When name is not mentioned, then you have to assume yourself as XYZ or ABC and sign accordingly. Then comes name. It is the mentioned name. Like in previous, for example, in the question, if it is Rahul or Riya, you will mention your name accordingly. Then comes designation. It is the post of the person who is drafting the notice, like head boy, head girl, or librarian. Let's look into the format of the notice. A rectangular box needs to be created when we are going to write a notice. In that box, in the top middle portion, the name of the organization or issuing agency or authority will come. Right below it, in next line, notice word will come, and then left hand side, write the date or like on which the notice is issued or released. Then in the middle of the next line, write the title of the notice. After the title, then body will come. In body, what we will add? We add date, time, duration, place or venue. And as the body will be completed, then the signature, the name and the designation of the underlined authority comes. Examples. First question. You are Puneet, Health Secretary, Students Council, RJ Public School, Goa. The council had decided to organize a week-long cleanliness drive around the school. Draft a notice in about 50 words asking the students of class 6 to 8 to enroll for this drive. Before writing the answer, we must make a value point checklist. For example, we should see the name of the organizer in the question, Then we have to see the name or nature of the activity, if there is any occasion given or not given, or venue, what are the objectives, whether it's information, awareness, appeal, invitation, or what. Then what are the dates and timings we can include, what will be the expenditure or charges or any entry fee. Then what is the beginning and what will be the conclusion, what is the place or destination, what will be the duration, and some specific instructions if we need to give, like do's or don'ts, or we have to take parents' consent, or what are the charges. So let's start our answer. So first of all, we have to make a rectangular box in which we are going to write our notice. In that box, in the top middle portion, we'll be writing the name of the issuing authority. What is given in the question? It's RJ Public School, Goa. In the very next line, we are going to write the word notice, and then below it, on the left hand side, we are going to write the date. Then comes title that we will write in between. The title itself, it's given like cleanliness drive. So how to start the body? We'll start. This is to inform the students of class 6 to 8 that the Students' Council of the school, who is the organizer over here, Student Council of the school, has organized a week-long cleanliness drive around the areas in the immediate vicinity of the school boundary from 20th April 2020 to 27th April 2020. And the timings for the work will be 8 am to 10 am. Volunteers are requested to enroll for the drive by 15th April 2020. Then, as we have completed the body, in the very next line, left hand side, you have to put your signature, then your name, and then your designation in the bracket. Example 2. You are Rajan, Secretary of the Adventure Club of RJ Public School, Haridwar. Your school is organizing a 6-day trekking expedition for the students of class 11 of your school. Draft a notice in about 50 words for the school notice board announcing the expedition and inviting the students to join it. Again, I am repeating my instructions that you must make a value points checklist, name of the organizer, and what sort of occasion it is, whether it's an activity or an expedition. So let's start the answer. Issuing authority over here is RJ Public School, Goa. In the very next line, you will be writing the word notice. Then below it, on the left hand side, you will be writing the date. Then comes title. What will be the title over here? It's given in the question, trekking expedition. You can start the notice in two ways. The school is organizing a 6-day trekking expedition, or you can write the adventure club of your school is organizing a 6-day trekking expedition. Now comes venue, Mussoorie, for the students of class 11 from, now date. What are the dates over here? From 23rd April 2020 to 28th April 2020. Now you will urge the students. Interested students must deposit rupees, charges you are mentioning over here, rupees 6,000, along with parents' consent letter. I told you that specific instructions. What is the specific instruction over here? Parents' consent letter with their respective class teachers by 15th April 2020. As the content of the body is finished, you will be writing on the left hand side your signature. Then after signatures, your name will come, and then your designation in bracket. Thank you so much. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Goodbye.